Hello, my name is Karl.
And my name is Brendan Smith, and this is Clongriffin, one of 194 train stations in Ireland.
And we'll be travelling to all of them from mid-May, as well as all 6 Heritage railways in Ireland.
It's not all about the stations, it's also about what you can find around the stations.
Also, as we go along, we'll be making videos and uploading them to YouTube, doing a good number each day.
And because of the costs of train tickets and accommodation, we're asking for funding through Kickstarter.
And don't forget, the scenery is better by train.